You finally got me. Oil. Need to put some. I need some more oil when I go to the grocery. Just a tab, just a tab. And I just put it in different little parts of the turkey and then just inject it. And of course, after you doing double dips, of course you will not keep this. Throw this shit away when you're done. Sometimes you gotta find you a good spot. You go on it. Stick it up. When I do my Alright, now I got the legs. Now I'm gonna come over here and inject the wings. Find a good spot. Yeah. And you can see when you inject it, how it get plump. Yeah. Oh, sometimes you gotta get a good spot because it'll just come right through in there. You want to make sure the juice get inside. It just shot me, y'all. It shot me. Oh. All right, you see, it's almost gone. I'm gonna make sure I try to use all of it. Cause like I said, you can't save it. Yes, we'll get sick. If you don't use it all, throw the shit away. I'm trying to put it on the side so I can get all the juice out there. You can see that. And then if you kind of stick it in the same spot, the juice will kind of come back out of there. So now I'm going to do the breast. I don't know if you can really see it when it get plump like it. I ain't gonna move the camera, y'all, because I ain't trying to get turkey hand everywhere. Then I'm going to do the other breast. I'm going to see if you can see it. Do over. You want to make sure you inject everywhere, all over it. Turkey's going to be juicy, juicy, juicy. Ain't going to be not a piece of dry. Nowhere dry. So now, what I'm going to do is wrap the turkey up and put it in the refrigerator. And I'm going to leave it overnight and let it marinate. I hate saran wrap because I don't know how to use it for real. I really do not. I hate it. It need to be another event. This, I can never do it right. Ever. Mm-hmm. Look, wow. Looks beautiful. Yes.